Welcome to the first mini-sode of Cooking with Frank. Today, we will be making an all-purpose gluten-free flour. To start off, you'll need 1.5 cups of brown rice flour. Then, you'll need 1/4 cup of white rice flour. Add 1/4 cup of tapioca starch and 1/4 cup of potato starch. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of Xanthan Gum. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, whisk it together nicely. Make sure you get rid of any clumps of any product, and you'll be good to go. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.